I had an injury a few years ago slipped on water in a gas station. And the owners were fighting it, saying that they thought I was walking too fast, or they had the signs up for the wet floors and that kind of thing. And I told Bill they didn't. And Bill said, you know what, I bet there's videotape. And he acquired that and showed my side, that I wasn't in a rush. The judge saw that, and Bill was just very professional and very helpful. And just took care of me each step of the way, and always accessible through the phone, through text or email. And if he said, if you have any questions, call, and we went back and forth like that. I always just felt like I was his only client, because I thought, how could you give me this much accessibility?